sleep in this morning when we're going somewhere early, and when we're not going anywhere early, wake up early. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday, and we are Sunday? Yes, it is Sunday. We're what's wrong with this car? Is his road? We are up. You're not saying morning?
Morning, guys. You see the car have to look at the
that's
world.
true, that's true. Tell us, say morning, Fizz. Where are we going? Yes, since the weekend almost finished and we haven't done supermarket shopping. Supermarkets open half day on a Sunday, so we're doing a quick supermarket run this month, and your girl is wearing hot today because y'all, this here is a hot mess right now, and it's scratching out my daylight. That's what Jamaicans would say when something's happen really bad, especially scratching. It's scratching out your daylight. It's scratching me like crazy, and I'm going to take it out of my head today. I remember why I don't wear these ears, because yo, the scratching is not even 100, it's 1001. So I'll be taking out this hair today. I have the boys here to cut today. I have to get ready for the entire week today, so today is gonna be a long day, busy day, but that's okay. Gotta do what we gotta do around here. So we're on our way to the supermarket right now to pick up our goodies. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Hopefully you guys will have a good day, whatever it is that you guys are doing today. Have fun doing it. Stay blessed, stay loved. Yes, Tyler. Auntie Shanil and Uncle Tony? Yeah. What about them? We're going to pick them up? No, we're not going to pick them up. They're not coming back anytime soon. He's asking for Shanil and Tony. He's so funny. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. And if you're new to our channel, you guys subscribe and join the fam bam, and of course turn on your notification bell and catch up and keep up with all the happenings around here. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to the supermarket. Say see you guys later. What you doing? You're doing that? He's doing that because he like when I use my phone and do the boomerang, and it goes fast, like reverse and doing fast. I don't even know how to describe it. So he likes to do his head like this and watch it replay, and he's so funny. Come here, hot dog bird. Put it in.
Hot dog bird?
Yes, put it in. Good job. Alright, let's go pick up your bird now. And mama bird. Okay, mama bird first is here. Come on. This one. Go on. And come back for yours. Tyler? Ty, you need to take time when you're putting the bird in the cart, okay? Alright, your bird is here. Yeah, but we don't want the front one. This one.
Mama?
Yes.
On the chocolate.
Put it in. Good job. Birthday cake. Go. Babe, this one is babe's favorite.
My favorite?
Yeah.
I like
Strawberry. I can't do the strawberry like that.
Look.
Oh, you like that one?
Yes.
Alright, come on, let's go. You like this one?
Yeah.
You like everything.
Come.
Shh. What is that you're getting excited about?
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
I'm looking. I don't see.
Mama?
Jurassic World.
Mama?
€3. You want one?
Yes.
Which one?
A T-Rex.
Oh, you know it's T-Rex. Who teach you that? All right, put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. No, I'm sprucing up his dinosaur collection. Now I'm feeding his dinosaur addiction. He loved dinosaur. He went to Jamaica and he saw Travis with dinosaur and he's in love with them. So everywhere I go and I see, I buy him one. We buy him one yesterday and getting one today. Yeah, it's soft. Yeah. No, not Stella, not Stella. You'll get a different one when winter comes. No, not that masher. That one is bigger than your foot. And that Paw Patrol.
Oh, what? Mama?
Yes, baby?
Uniform.
This one.
No, I'm staying with Papa.
You don't want to help me?
No, I'm staying with Papa. I'm staying with Papa.
Just careful when you in the car, sorry.
Mama?
Come here, come for apples.
Ça va, maman, pour les pommes. Doucement. Good job.
You guys, babe, taking out my extensions for me. Look at you sucking your tongue, though.
Oh, focus, man.
The tongue door. The tongue.
No, don't do that. Come here, let me see you. Ooh, hold up your face now. Wow, you look good. You look mute. You mute. It's been an absolute busy day. I just finished cutting the boys' hair. They're looking all fresh and handsome, honey.
Hi guys, how that changing something different. I want sugar in the morning. That's easy. That's the best part.
They've got a haircut. Tyler got a haircut. My hair is done and still to wash. But you guys see the time? It's almost, no, it's after 6. It's 6:10. So I'm making dinner and I just wanted to whip up something real quick while I was cutting their hair, so I just multitasked. And I had 1 tin of mackerel, tin mackerel remain, so I just cut on some sausage in that, and that's going to go, of course, with some white rice. Yes, fast and easy. Dinner is done. Dinner for tonight, you guys. White rice and tin mackerel and sausage. Dinner. Yeah, fast dinner.
Notification. Shout us. To.
Say that again. Notification.
Notification.
Shout out goes to Janet Chambers. Say love you, Auntie Janet.
I love you, Daddy.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Tell them you're going to bed and you'll see them tomorrow.
I'm going to bus you.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, you guys, can you guys tell how busy that day was until we didn't end in the vlog, went to bed because I was so tired. We all were so tired. It was just basically a hair day, and props off to Babe to taking out my extensions for me, even though it's not the first time he does that. He always take out my extensions for me. Yeah, but we're just coming out to tell you guys thanks for watching, and we love you guys. And if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam. And of course, there's no expression once there's no Babe and no Tyler, okay? We appreciate every single one of you. We love you guys.